Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have flawless, radiant skin, while others constantly battle with common skin problems like acne, blackheads, or dryness? Are you yearning for a natural, cost-effective solution that can help you achieve the clear, glowing skin you've always desired? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the world of DIY face masks, a simple yet effective tool in the pursuit of healthier skin. Our first mask is a delightful concoction known as the Honey and Cinnamon Mask. This mask is a powerhouse for fighting acne and promoting skin healing. To make this mask, start by mixing 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until they form a paste. Apply this paste all over your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Honey contains natural antibacterial properties, while cinnamon acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, making this mask a perfect solution for acne-prone skin. Next, we have the Avocado and Yogurt Mask, a perfect remedy for dry skin. Begin by mashing half an avocado until it's smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt and mix well. Apply this creamy mixture to your face and let it sit for around 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and moisturize the skin, while yogurt naturally exfoliates and soothes dry skin. Lastly, we'll be making the Egg White and Lemon Mask, a fantastic solution for those struggling with oily skin and blackheads. For this mask, whisk 1 egg white with a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice until frothy. Apply this mixture to your face, letting it dry for about 15 minutes before washing off with warm water. Egg whites are known to tighten the skin and shrink pores, while lemon juice helps control oil production and brighten the skin. In summary, these DIY face masks, made from simple and natural ingredients, can be your secret weapon against common skin problems. The Honey and Cinnamon Mask fights acne and promotes skin healing. The Avocado and Yogurt Mask nourishes and moisturizes dry skin, and the Egg White and Lemon Mask controls oil, shrinks pores, and brightens skin. Remember, consistency is key in every skincare routine, so make these masks a part of your regular skincare regimen, and you'll be on your way to achieving the clear, radiant skin you've always desired. And that's a wrap. Here's to natural, radiant skin, all from the comfort of your own home.